Stop wasting hours on social media content. Bulk create 3 months of posts in minutes. Imagine a calendar filled with ready-to-post content for every platform, scheduled and optimized. Meet AI Social Media Automation, your creative engine that writes, designs, and schedules for you. Train the AI to sound like you or model the vibe of any top account instantly. Create captions, scripts, thumbnails, and reels at scale without the grind. Fast, professional, and built to turn content into leads and sales. Bulk create likable, shareable posts and captions in seconds, all tailored to your brand. Generate unique visuals and thumbnails using AI graphics and pre-built templates. Auto-script reels and short videos with ready-to-record prompts and voice options. Use AI voice cloning or choose professional voices to match your brand tone. Everything is unique, never recycled, and optimized for engagement across audiences. Export or schedule across multiple channels with one click and zero headaches. Train the AI with your posts or model any account in your niche in minutes. The AI learns your voice and consistently writes like you every time, reliably. Open the AI calendar to drag, drop, and preview your 3-month content plan. Schedule cross-platform posting, optimal times, and thumbnails in one centralized place. Access 20+ AI tools from page builder to chatbots, all in one suite. All tools work together so your content converts followers into leads and customers. Automate comments and DMs to boost engagement and capture leads automatically. Set intelligent replies, lead qualifiers, and follow-up sequences on autopilot. Collaborate with your team in the review dashboard for approvals and feedback. Assign tasks, comment inline, and ship content faster than ever before. Security, roles, and versioning keep teams in control while moving quickly. Real-time analytics show which posts drive traffic, leads, and sales every week. Customers report faster growth and higher engagement after switching to this platform. Imagine 3 months of content ready in minutes. What would that do for your business? Save time, scale your reach, and turn content into predictable revenue and leads. Try the full suite with AI tools that handle creative, publishing, and conversations for you. Hit the link below to sign up for free now. AI Social Media Automation. Create more, sell more, and grow faster with less work.